Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you're a student looking to improve your legal English or simply want to understand legal phrases better, you're in the right place. Here, we break things down in a simple and practical way so you can use these terms with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover the top 20 legal phrases in English for students. These phrases will help you understand legal discussions, academic materials, and even real-life legal situations. Let's get started. The first phrase is rule of law. This means that all people and institutions must follow the law, and no one is above it. It ensures fairness and justice in society. Next, we have due process. This refers to the legal right to a fair trial and proper legal procedures before any punishment can be given. Another important phrase is beyond a reasonable doubt. This is the standard of proof required in criminal cases. If there is any reasonable doubt, the accused cannot be found guilty. Let's talk about breach of contract. This happens when one party does not follow the terms of a legal agreement. Contracts are legally binding, and breaking them can have consequences. You may also hear plaintiff and defendant. The plaintiff is the person who brings a case to court, while the defendant is the person being accused or sued. Another key phrase is plea bargain. This is when a defendant agrees to plead guilty to a lesser charge in exchange for a reduced sentence. It helps avoid long trials. Let's not forget double jeopardy. This means a person cannot be tried twice for the same crime after being found innocent. Another essential term is class action lawsuit. This is when a group of people collectively sues a company or organization for damages. You'll also hear power of attorney. This is a legal document that allows someone to make decisions on behalf of another person, often in financial or medical matters. Finally, let's cover statute of limitations. This is the time limit for bringing a lawsuit. If the deadline passes, legal action cannot be taken. By learning these legal phrases, you'll have a stronger foundation for understanding legal discussions, academic texts, and real-world legal situations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If this video is helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.